Good morning, assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone's well. Another nice day up in Leeds today. Quite a funny story this morning. Obviously, you know, I work on the roads and things. So before I start work, I like to have a coffee, eat some fruit, read, study, things like that, to just start my day off. So one of the lads, very lad, and his mate comes over and, how's it going? What you doing? I says, oh, I'm just chilling, mate, having a drink and that. And I read the Quran from my iPad. And he's, oh, so what you playing? I says, oh, I'm not playing, I'm reading. He says, oh, what you reading? I says, well, I'm reading the Quran. And he's like, no, you're not, mate. I says, well, yeah, I am. And he says, what are you into all that rubbish for? I says, well, it's not rubbish, it's very interesting. And he's saying, yeah, but they worship that Muhammad. And I said, well, no, they don't. I said, they worship God. I said, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was his messenger. And he brings the message of Islam. And he's like, but they don't, I thought they worship that, Allah. And I says, well, it's Allah. I says, and that's just the Arabic word for God. I says, and that's only recently been changed from the Christian Bible to God. I said, even from the very Greek, and even in the Bible today, it still mentions Allah. I said, so that's why I'm reading it. And then his mate came, and he's talking to me, and I says, well, what faith are you? And he's like, well, I suppose I'm Christian. I says, right. I says, oh, that's my background as well. I said, he says, so, yeah, I follow God and all this. I says, right, okay. I says, well, he says, but they don't believe in Jesus, do they? And I says, well, yeah, they do. They believe in Jesus and everything. And anyway, long story short, both of them engaged with me for 20 minutes and both really interested. And I sat back and I thought, what's going on here? I thought, I'm not even like revert Muslim or anything, and I'm doing dawah. And I thought to myself, this is the problem with Islam today. For every bad sheep in this country shown on the telly by the people we can't talk about, there should be 10, if not 20, 30 brothers and sisters telling people what it's really like, telling people that the message that Muhammad, peace be upon him, brings. Then, and only then, can Islam be shown in a decent light.